See how beautiful these beautiful budgies are. They're eating their breakfast together. See? They are eating together. They get up. They are such smart birds. They have their routine. They get up in the morning. They stretch. And once they have their good stretch, they sit on their perch for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then both of them come down and they eat. See, two are better than one. See, now look, he's gonna go back up because he hears me. Look, he's gonna go back up. Uh-huh. Look at that. And he's gonna get right back up on his perch. You see that? You see that?